All right, so if you want to save time and get insights automatically, HubSpot lets you create automated reports. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to set up automated reporting in HubSpot so you can track your metrics without doing everything manually. Yeah, it's actually really simple. First, log in to HubSpot and navigate to Reports. Reports Home. This is where you can view all existing reports and start building new ones. Next, click Create Report and choose either a custom report or use one of HubSpot's pre-built templates. Custom reports give you full control, while templates are a fast way to get started. Pick the data you want to include: contacts, deals, tickets, or marketing emails. You can combine multiple sources if you like, which is great for seeing the full picture of your sales and marketing performance. Now, drag and drop the fields or metrics you want into the report builder. Adjust charts, tables, and filters until the report shows exactly what you need. Yeah, it's all very visual and easy to tweak. Once your report is ready, click Save and then Automate. HubSpot lets you schedule the report to run daily, weekly, or monthly and send it automatically to your team via email. Before you rely on it, send a test report to yourself. Make sure the metrics are correct and the formatting looks good. Once everything checks out, your team will start receiving reports automatically. And that's it. That's how you create automated reports in HubSpot, save time, and keep your team informed with the latest data without any manual effort. All right, that's it for this one. That's how you create automated reports in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next